Now children, let's start with chapter number 12, that is forest, a gift of nature. So in this chapter we will study about forest. So nature has given us many gifts. Forest is one of them. और जो हमारा 1/3 of the world land surface है वो किससे covered है? Forest से. They are helpful for us in many ways, directly or indirectly, in both ways. So several trees, shrubs, mosses, mushrooms, birds, mammals and other animals grow in forest. Human beings too, they are also dependent on forest for many things. And they contribute lots for enhancing quality of environment. Right? हमें यहाँ से raw material मिलता है like to produce paper, gums, resin, charcoal, medicine. So we must take care as they are the gift of nature. Right? So now importance of forest. So first is environmental balance. ये हमारे environmental balance में help करते हैं. Right? They help in cycling nutrient, producing oxygen, reducing atmospheric pollution. They help in reducing flood, storing water and water-retaining soil erosion. Now forest also provides shade which prevents soil from becoming too dry and friable. ये quality of soil provide करता है जिससे वो क्या कर सकते हैं उसकी prosperity को increase कर सकते हैं और fertility which contribute in humus too. Habitat of plants and animals. Forests are the habitat for millions of plants and animals. जो इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी, जो नंबर ऑफ एनिमल स्पीशीज है जो फॉरेस्ट में लाई करते हैं, वेयर दे गेट फूड, शेल्टर एंड सस्टेनेबल एटमॉस्फेयर. राइट, ड्यू टू डिफॉरेस्टेशन जो वाइड वैरायटी ऑफ एनिमल्स हैं दे आर वैनिश्ड एंड नंबर ऑफ अदर्स आर बीइंग फेस डेंजर ऑफ एक्सटिंक्शन. इनसे क्या हो रहा है? ग्रेट लॉस हो. राइट, नेक्स्ट इज वुड विच इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट. राइट, so demand of wood is very high in developing country because people use wood for cooking and heating, and it counts almost half of the wood harvested. Right now, timber it is used to make furniture, door, window, cars, clothes, handles, sports woods, plywood. They are also the main source of timber. Main cause क्या है इसका? Destruction of the forest in cutting trees or wood. Right? Other products क्या क्या है? Like हम वुड भी मिलता है, हमें टिम्बर मिलता है, उसके साथ साथ रेजिन, फैट्स, फ्रूट्स, नट्स, हर्ब्स, मेडिसिन्स, ऑयल, फॉरेज और कुछ कमर्शियल फ्लावर्स एंड स्पीशीज. बैम्बूज आर यूज इन ट्रैक्टर्स, रोफिंग वैली. फॉरेस्ट प्लांट जैसे सैंडलवुड हो गया, रोसा ग्रास हो गई, खस हो गई, दे आर ऑल्सो यूज इन मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ कॉस्मेटिक्स या फिर शॉप्स में इनका यूज करते हैं. Now interdependence, देखो चाहे plants हो चाहे animals हो, they both are interdependent on the man. Like survivor of plant depends upon animals and survivor of animals depend upon plant. We will understood by the different points. The animals depend on plant for food. Plants are the source of food grain, fruits, vegetable species. Some animals eat plants which are called herbivores. Carnivores जो होता है वो फ्लैश ऑफ herbivores से तो खाते हैं, right? और वो किस पे डिपेंड होता है? Plant for food. They depend upon plants and carnivores eat flesh. If there is no food, herbivores, carnivores, they do not get food. Now, food chain is an important for balance in nature. Animals need oxygen for respiration. So, during photosynthesis, जो plants होते हैं वो क्या लेते हैं? CO2 और क्या छोड़ते हैं? ऑक्सीजन देते हैं. इससे भी आपको देखना है एक बैलेंस मेंटेन करता. Plants give shelter to large number of animal species and help in maintaining diversity. और आप क्या कर सकते हो? अपने डाइवर्सिटी को मेंटेन भी कर सकते हो. Next is dependence of plant and animal. Plants need CO2 for photosynthesis और oxygen किसको चाहिए? Animals को during respiration. Animals like bees, butterfly, moths help in pollination of plants. तो ऐसा भी होता है fertilizer के लिए fertilization. Dispersal of seed depends upon animals. Bird and other animals are the important agents of seed dispersal and dispersal of seeds helps in plant growth. किसमें help करती है? Plant growth. Now deforestation. Today what happened? Today society is developing very fast. Many new buildings, road, shop, business centers are constructed. New railway tracks has been laid down. For this, trees are being cut on large scale. Cutting trees on large scale for the construction of building, roads, railway tracks, right? Or for wood and timber and for obtaining agricultural land for deforestation. Forest production, forest land, the rate of deforestation increase to a greater extent. जो एक matter है great concern. Now climate change. Forests maintain temperature and help in rainfall. Large part of earth is facing problem of low rainfall. किसकी वजह से? Due to deforestation. जो temperature है वो increase कर रहा है, which is not a good sign. जिससे क्या होता है? आपका overall climate change होता है. Now we have soil erosion. The roots of plants हैं, they bind soil particles together and then does not allow them to washed away by wind and water. So we can say that they check soil erosion, and soil erosion what it do? इट्स रिड्यूसेस द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ सॉइल, इस सॉइल की जो फर्टिलिटी होती है उसको रिड्यूस करता है। देन फ्लड, फॉरेस्ट ऑल्सो चेक फ्लड्स, दे एक्ट एज अ नेचुरल बैरियर, राइट। इन मेनी पार्ट जो फ्लड्स होते हैं वो फ्रिक्वेंटली अकर करते हैं जहाँ पे कोई ट्रीज नहीं होते। Loss of natural habitat, you have already know that forests provide habitat for a wide variety of animals. So due to deforestation, जो animal loss है their habitat का, they either move from other places or die, and many rare species of plants and animals have vanished due to deforestation. Afforestation, growing of new plants on barren land or large scale is called afforestation. The people across the world have realized the importance of forest and they have come forward for the conservation of forest, right? So in our country too, government has launched what? Social forestry program in which people grow plants on barren land along the roadside. One Mahotsav is another program in which new saplings are planted every day. और ये हमेशा twice a year celebrate करा, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.